360 lesson is about a factory, manufacturing plant or a production plant is an industrial site, usually consisting of buildings and machinery, or more commonly a complex having several buildings, where workers manufacture goods or operate machines processing one product into another.
A lean warehouse is a warehouse where the 5 lean thinking principles of Womack and Jones and a variety of lean tools are applied.
Hi, welcome to Sonny's the Car Wash Factory. I'm Dan Kayserian, the Operations Manager, and we're here today and I'd like to introduce you to our newest employee, Frank.